What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today I'm going to be preventing another yard from flooding by running out their downspouts. Also, I'm pretty sure they're going to be putting pavers and stuff in here, so you want to make sure the downspouts are run out beforehand. Otherwise, you're screwed and it'll be stuck on top. So let's get right into it. All right, as you can see over here, I'm going to be running this downspout straight. We're going to be taking out the tree, coming all the way down underneath the sidewalk over to here, put a pop-up right here. The water will build up, facilitate out, and then go down to the nearest storm well down the drain. Now, time to start digging. And here we go. Everything is completely dug out under the sidewalk. This yard was also the hardest I've done all year. It wins the Hard Ground Award. As you can see, this is how it's gonna go. They're gonna put pavers over here from all the way across, so I don't have to make sure it looks pretty or anything. I'm just gonna go down under the sidewalk and have the pop up at the end. Now how to pipe it up. All right, and now it is completely piped up. Everything is going extremely downhill. As you can see over here, I already have the level down. Exactly, extremely all the way downhill. Make it more downhill than that. And then right here, before it goes under the sidewalk, still completely downhill. So all the water is going to shoot, jet down, immediately go all the way down here, build up in the mini dry well. When it cannot hold any more water, it'll facilitate over, drain out into the street, go to the nearest storm drain, and what's left in the pipe will drain back into the ground. Because you see I drilled 2 big holes and make it a little mini dry well. So now it'll have the ability to drain back into the ground to help prevent against freezing. Now, to backfill, show you how it works. And here we go. Test the system. Put the hose in the clean out over there. So you can see the water makes its all the way down here. Starts to go inside the mini dry well. It's gonna fill up this mini dry well first before it can continue to come up to build up. So now we just wait for it to fill it up, and then it'll build up and overflow. And here we go, final product. As you see, the water builds up, pops up, facilitates out, and then it's gonna go down the street to the north storm drain around the corner. That is how you prevent your yard from flooding, by running out your downspouts, especially before you put pavers in. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.